you pull back, retract at the notion that everything could be changed in a minute. But you say, some things are good and I like. You say, I don't want them to change. You say, everything is always changing. I say, nothing stays the same. What makes you think you can decide what changes and when? Change is the nature of things. I am merely saying, do not expect a recapitulation of the past. You are a different person in a new situation. Expect things to be different. What if things were easy? Why does that notion cause you to recoil? Why is the idea of ease so alarming to you? You think that if things are easeful, you are vulnerable and at risk. You think easefulness is dangerous because you have let down your guard. Your guard does not keep you safe. Your guard only separates you from reality.